Hello everyone. In today's video, we will solve this exponential equation. Now the most common way of solving an exponential equation is to get the same base on both sides of the equation. Now in this equation, there's an exponential term on the left side and an exponential term on the right side. On the left side, the base is 5 and on the right side, the base is 2. Now it's not possible to write 5 as a 2 with a power or to write 2 as a power of 5. So that means we cannot use the same base method to solve this exponential equation. So that means we'll have to use the log method. Now in order to solve the exponential equation, we'll have to isolate the variable in the equation, and the variable in this equation is x. So we'll have to isolate x by applying log to both sides. Now why do we want to apply log? Because the variable x is in the exponent. So by applying log, we'll be able to bring that x down from the exponent to the coefficient level. And for that, we'll use the power law of log. So the first step here is to apply log to both sides. So the left side becomes log of 5 to the power x equals log of 2 to the power x plus 2. Now we can use the power law of log. Let me share what power law is. So as per the power law of log, we can bring the exponent down to the coefficient level. So the b from the exponent comes to the coefficient level at the front of the log term. So this is the power law of log. So now if we apply this power law of log in our equation, so we get x log 5. So the exponent x comes down, and then in the other one the exponent is x plus 2, and since there are two terms, we write it in parentheses. So x plus 2 in parentheses times log 2. And sorry, on the other side is log 5. We have brought down the variable x from the exponent to the coefficient level. Now we just have to gather the x terms and isolate x. So first on the right side, we can distribute log 2 into the parentheses. So we get x log 5 equals x log 2 plus 2 log 2. Now we can move all the x terms to the left side of the equation. So we should subtract x log 2 from both sides. So as a result, the x log 2's on the right side cancel each other out. So we are left with x log 5 minus x log 2 equals 2 log 2. Now we can factor out x from the terms on the left side because we have to isolate x, the variable in the equation. So we can factor out x. So if we factor out x, we are left with log 5 minus log 2 in the parentheses. Now we can isolate x by dividing both sides by log 5 minus log 2. Now we are only left with x on the left side. So our final answer will be x equals 2 log 2 over log 5 minus log 2. Now we cannot simplify this expression. So this is the final answer in the exact form. So if you have to simplify this further, in the numerator, we can move the coefficient 2 to the power of 2. So log of 2 square. And in the denominator, we can use the quotient law of log. So as per the quotient law of log, so it becomes log of 5 over 2. But if you have to find the final answer in the decimal form, and if you use a calculator to evaluate this expression, so I got 1.5129. Now this is the rounded answer. So I rounded this answer to 4 decimal places, but you can round it as per the given rounding instruction in the problem. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.